Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Huawei has started to roll out a new HarmonyOS 2.0 patch for Huawei Mate 40 and P40 series smartphones launched in China. The new HarmonyOS software update contains a feature add-on, bug fixes and optimizes the overall user experience. Models getting HarmonyOS update are Huawei Mate 40, Mate 40 Pro, Mate 40 Pro Plus, Mate 40 RS Porsche Design, P40, P40 Pro and P40 Pro Plus. According to the information, the Mate 40 series device users can identify this new software update with the latest HarmonyOS version 2.0.0.165 and comes with a massive update size of 0.95 GB, while the Huawei P40 series users HarmonyOS system patch comes with a download size of 34.57 MB. The new changelog of Mate 40 series brings a new multi-camera mode and some sort of optimization to enhance the user experience. Huawei P40 users get rid of issue in the status bar icon, which was previously showing abnormal signs. Furthermore, Huawei has officially announced a new software update for Mate 40 series devices running on HarmonyOS 2.0 version 2.0.0.166. The company says that the current version still has some bugs to be resolved and needs to be fully optimized. If you like this video, then press the like button, comment below and press the bell icon and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to visit HC Newsroom.